Welcome to e-Chem Open. Today we will be discussing alkynes. What are alkynes? An alkyne is a non-polar, unsaturated hydrocarbon containing at least one carbon-to-carbon triple bond. Acyclic, branched or unbranched, alkynes with only one triple bond and no other functional groups form a homologous series with the general chemical formula of CnH2n-2. Formulae for alkynes. The general formula is CnH2n-2. For example, 1-butyne. The molecular formula is C4H6, and the structural formula can be seen below. Basic naming convention. The following are the molecular formulas and the names of the first 10 carbon straight-chain alkynes. Alkynes use the ending -ine. This suffix is used when there is only one alkyne in the molecule. Ethyne, C2H2. Propyne, C3H4. 1-butyne, C4H6. 1-pentyne, C5H8. 1-hexyne, C6H10. 1-heptyne, C7H12. 1-octyne, C8H14. 1-nonyne, C9H16, and 1-decyne, C10H18. Nomenclature. Find the longest chain containing the triple bond. Change -ane from alkanes ending to -ine. Number the chain starting at the end closest to the triple bond. Give branches or other substituents a number to locate their position. Physical properties of alkynes. Alkynes have similar properties to both alkenes and alkanes. Alkynes are unsaturated carbon that shares a triple bond at the carbon site. All alkynes are odorless and colorless with the exception of ethylene, which has a slight distinctive odor. Alkynes are slightly polar in nature. The boiling point and melting point of alkynes increases as their molecular structure grows bigger. The boiling point increases with increase in their molecular mass. The boiling points of alkynes are slightly higher than those of their corresponding alkenes, due to the one extra bond at the carbon site. Uses of alkynes. The most familiar form of alkynes is ethine, or acetylene, which is used in making organic compounds such as ethanol, ethanoic acid, and acrylic acid. Ethine is also used for preparing many organic solvents. Acetylene, the simplest alkyne, is used in torches to generate temperatures of around 3000 degrees Celsius to weld a metal by generating oxyacetylene welding. Alkynes are frequently used to synthetically ripen fruits. The overriding alkyne in acetylene is used as a fuel where many kilograms are produced every year by fractional oxidation of natural gases. Acetylene was used to light movable lamps, which were known as acetylene gas lamps, installed in homes, bicycles, and on cars. I hope you found this video very helpful. Thanks for watching.